So I came in and the water was, I'd say, up to here.
Standing in his basement on Girdlestone Road, Chris Yarrow looks at the damage.
It's been a nightmare since last Monday.
Yarrow's basement is one of multiple that flooded when a water main break during the blizzard of 2026 created a major mess. The town says power outages during the storm caused valves to open and pressure to spike, leading to numerous water main breaks, including the one near Yarrow's home.
Maybe if the drains worked properly, the storage system out front, maybe it would have went down. Maybe if the town had a backup plan. But now I have to pay the price.
Yarrow says no one from the town has reached out to help, saying he was told to file a claim with his insurance company. The town says once affected homeowners do that, the claim can then be sent over to Winthrop's insurance carrier.
It's just disappointing. It's very disappointing.
Yarrow says while it's never been this bad before, flooding, especially from high tides or heavy rain, has been an issue for years. He claims the city has never stepped in to help.
Everybody has a breaking point, and this enough is enough. And it's too much. It's a lot for people to handle.
Now, I reached out to the town for an interview about the flooding issues in this neighborhood, but never heard back.